Okay, so when you land here in Colombia, when you land here in Medellin anyways, I want you to go to this place we're gonna go to right now. It's called Monterrey, just like the city in Mexico, Monterrey Mall. And what this place is all electronics. Go there and I want you to get you a little throwaway phone, a used one like for 30 bucks, 50 bucks, whatever. You can take pictures, videos, and all types of things with this. Go live and everything. And if anything happens, you just give them that phone. Nobody's gonna want it. So let's go. Let's go check out Monterrey Mall. All right, so let's jump on the motorcycle real quick. It's just a quick ride. It's right here in Poblado, so I love taking the motorcycle out. It's such a beautiful day here in Medellin. So let's take a look. Look at this. I mean, all this greenery. Isn't that so beautiful? We're almost made it there. A little bit of traffic, so still great. Look at this. It's amazing. I hope you liked the video. So subscribe. Oh, we made it to the mall. And I just wanted to show you around real quick about, they have everything you need in Monterrey. And I don't work for Monterrey. I don't get any kickbacks from Monterrey. I'm just letting you know when you get here, it'd be a good idea just to get like a throwaway phone, a used one. And I say, well, you might be thinking, well, why don't I get a throwaway phone in the United States? And it's possible, but you can get one here really cheap, like 30 or 50 bucks. And it's easily to connect to Colombia, Claro and Tigo and all the providers here. Sometimes, like my mom got down here, she came down here just recently and the phone wouldn't work. So we ended up coming here and buying one. So I'm just trying to save you the headache. And it'd be a good idea too, if you're going to be, going out to, like doing some waterfall stuff where the phone might get lost. Not only just stolen, but maybe lost. I also come here for all my computer equipment. In fact, I'm coming here today because my microphone went out. My microphone went out on my new computer, and I can't even believe it. So I have a recommendation from one of these places. I can't find it here, but we're gonna find it shortly. So this one has multiple levels, and the name of the mall, just one more time, is Monterrey, like Monterrey, Mexico. So definitely you need to come down here and check it out, and even just hang out. They got a food area, food court as well, and they have some pretty good food. A lot of workers come here to get some food. It's about $3. All right, bro. I had a big problem with my computer. I was trying to use my microphone for 2 days. I could not fix it, and I'm a tech guy. I couldn't do it. So I was recommended Techno Solutions. My buddy Sebastian over here, man. He helped me out. And what's the other guy's name? Juan? El otro amigo.
Juan y Sebastián.
Hey, Sebastian over here at Monterrey Mall.
gusto.
Man, come check them out. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Sebastian. Man, fixed my computer up, man. I'm so happy because I was spending days and days on it. I cannot fix it. I was about to spend $200 on a new microphone. My brand new MSI. This is a gaming laptop. Like, could not get it right. So anyways, I'm happy about it.